Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and here I'm back doing the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trades. Let's start with the news today. We are not having any high impact news into the market today, so the price could be just reaching towards the charts now. This is the monthly chart, and we can clearly see that the price respected this FVG, moved into the upside direction after taking all these liquidities sitting right below it. So it is a monthly chart, and we are heading towards these equal highs sitting right above this area. So, what is actually making me think this way? Because the price was having this sweep, previous highs disrespect, then this level was being swept by the market, and we had a strong close above this previous high. And uh, adding to that, we were having this monthly low sweep, and the price is moving higher. So, let's move to the weeklies to see further. As we move into the weeklies, what we see is that the price was having this FVG, and currently the price is sweeping the previous swing low, which is making this particular high as a weak high. And since everything is mitigated right here, so I'm anticipating that price can possibly go higher. So let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, what we see is that the price has already started to respect the FVGs and started to move into the higher direction. And I'm anticipating that this is the equal high the price is going to take. And for that, I am anticipating that this will act as a resistance zone for the price because this was the area from where this sharp move came into the market. So let's move to the 4 hours now. As we move into the 4 hour, this is pretty much evident now uh, that the price is moving towards this particular uh, swing, particularly. But we are having this FVG, and there is a probability that the price can come down, and we will see about it. The first thing which I am able to see, which confirms the bullish bias, is this disrespect of this 4-hour FVG, and the price disrespected it and moved into the upside direction. Not only that, we are having a strong close above this previous swing, which confirms the bullish bias into the price. So let's move to the 1 hours now. As we move into the 1 hour, what we see is that the price was reluctant to go higher, but we had a close right above this area, which confirms the bias that the price is bullish. And currently, we have tapped this FVG, and for the price to make any sense, need to come all the way down to the 50% of this particular wick, the last thing. And apart from that, if that is not the case, then we will come all the way down to this FVG, which is quite extreme for the price right now. So I'm not anticipating that we are coming back towards this 4-hour FVG. Let's move to the 30 minutes now. As we move into the 30 minutes, what we see is that the price is quite accumulating and moving into the upside direction. But a matter to see is this low, which will be much evident in 15 minutes. But before that, I'll show you that we respected this DPR into the price. So I am not anticipating that the price will be going much further than this level. And now with the disrespect of, I mean, of the sweep of this low, this is my invalidation point. So let's move to the 15 minutes now. As we move into the 15 minutes, the scenario is pretty much clear because the price had taken the liquidity from this swing and moved into the upside direction. So my working area for today is this particular whole level. I mean, this bullish move. So I'll be anticipating if we are going to go higher, there will be some kind of entry in this leg, and then I'll be triggering the trade till this particular level. So let's move to the 5 minutes now. As we move into the 5 minutes, we see one level here, and it is an Asia session. So we can tap this level and go higher towards this particular target. So maybe around this, maybe around 20 pips or something it is. I have to remember. Yeah, 25 pips. So I'll be targeting for 20 to 25 pips into the market, and this will be my trade entry criteria. Apart from that, if the price fails, then I'll be just reading the price action. So this is pretty much it. Do write me into the comments that what are your views regarding the Euro USD's today's move. So thank you for watching and keep learning and keep trading.